Right here I have the perfect basic 5-pack t-shirts that you're looking for. What's up guys, my name is TJ and today I have the 5-pack of these t-shirts. They fit absolutely amazing and I'm loving the material. Now I'm 5'11", 150 pounds. I ended up getting the size large in these and I think that they fit great. It comes down to a perfect length on me, provides me with a lot of comfort and room. If you want more of a tailored look, I definitely think I could size down to a medium and I'd be totally fine. So these are gonna be perfect for nice undershirts or just basic, regular, everyday wear. This is gonna be made with 100% full cotton material that is actually really breathable. It's got a little bit of weight to it and just feels really nice. You can see how these come down to about the mid bicep on the arm, so it comes down to a good size. You could layer these up, throw a flannel over it, throw a jacket over it, and just have a really nice, clean look. Now let's take a look at this collar. On the collar, we're gonna have a little bit of a stretchy material, and it's not gonna give you the bacon neck whenever you let go. Fits my neck perfectly and just has a nice taper around the shoulders. It just fits really good. And it actually surprised me with this full cotton because it does have a little bit of a nice stretch as well and just gives you the really nice finish all the way throughout. Now as you can see, we have the white here, and these do come in a bunch of different colors, so you can actually get greens, blues, reds, but this one right here is gonna be the 3 black and the 2 white. So it's gonna be perfect for like basic undershirts as well. If you wanna throw a flannel on, if you wanna throw a jacket on, it's really gonna be a nice touch and a nice undershirt. Now, I have tattoos right about here, so you actually can't see through this fabric. Some white t-shirts are actually see-through for me if they're a little thin, but this is a thick, nice quality material. I noticed that the stitching was on point. I didn't see any loose threads or anything like that. It definitely looks like it's super high quality and it's gonna last a long time. Now, these t-shirts are gonna be something that I would just wear on a summer day. Throw one of these on, a nice pair of shoes, shorts, jeans. It's definitely gonna complete the look and look like a premium t-shirt. I would also wear something like this on a date night because it looks so nice, and also I would dress up and down with this. Maybe I would just put a nice jacket on here or a flannel button down to complement this tee. But this tee is gonna be good for somebody that also wants to do some athletic activities, playing basketball, pickleball, tennis, or if you're gonna lounge around in the house. This is definitely a necessity to have in your closet. I myself can't have enough white and black t-shirts to complement all my clothes. Make sure you add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.